There's so much emotionally charged hype out there designed to sell newspapers and advertising rather than inform investors and traders. Want entertainment? Buy a newspaper or magazine or turn on the news. Want investment and trading concepts explained? Look to TechnoTrader. TechnoTrader is the gold standard in trading and investing education taught by experienced and accredited professionals. Don't learn to trade from fad-chasing day traders, and certainly don't think you can grow your portfolio by attending a weekend seminar or watching a free video online. Success in the financial markets is attainable, but like any high-paying profession, it requires the proper education to achieve consistent success. Join those happy few who've taken their investing and trading seriously. Call 888-846-5577 or visit technotrader.com.
Hi, everyone. Today I want to talk about something that is very important to understand about the stock market. People have come up to me and they say, aren't you worried about inflation? Or they ask, aren't you worried about the economy? Or they may ask, aren't you worried about the politics of this country? They may ask, aren't you worried about the future? And I say, no, I am not worried about any of these things, and I have never been worried about these things. Why? Because I know I can always make money. That is an undeniable fact that I know I can always make money. Why is this a true statement? Because I know how to trade the stock market. I know how to invest, and I know where to place my money at any given time that will provide the highest return or the greatest profit potential for that stock at that time. It's an amazing feeling to never be worried about the economy, or about inflation, or about stocks, or about politics, or about global conditions, or the future. It's an amazing feeling to know that no matter what, I can always make money. The one reason why I teach in my retirement is because I want to share this with those who are willing to try and learn and become successful semi-professionals to professional level traders or investors. There's a huge difference between those investors who wait for someone to tell them what stock to buy or buy a recommended stock or something in the news, and those who are already in the stock long before that happens. There's a huge difference between trading as a business and trading as a hobby. Most retail traders are trading as hobbyists. They're trading for the fun of it. They're trading for the excitement. They're gambling, they're risking their money, and they don't care that they lose money. Now, they may say, sure, I care about losing money, but they don't, because they don't stop to learn and develop the skills that would make them consistently successful. The difference between a hobby trader and a highly skilled retail trader who trades like a professional is the skill level that they have acquired through learning and practicing very good skills and very good technique in analyzing stocks. Relational technical analysis is the heart of all of that nowadays. A lot of traders who are hobbyists want to look for the holy grail. Oh, just tell me which indicator is the best one and then I'll use that. Or, oh, just tell me what stock to buy and then I'll just buy that and I'll be rich. That's not how it works. If it was that easy, there would be no money to make in the market. The reason why there's so much money to make in the market is because you have to do a little bit of elbow grease and learn what you need to know and then practice the skills. So many people aren't willing to do that the few that become my students are extremely successful. Why? Because everybody else is running around playing at trading stocks rather than earning at trading stocks. To be consistently successful in the market, to know that no matter what happens with the economy, the world markets, the global markets, the politics of this country, inflation, deflation, whatever, to know that no matter what, you can always make money in the stock market because you have the skills, tools, and knowledge to do so because you became a TechnoTrader student is an enormous gift that I give to my students. Now, I have some demands back. I expect them to learn and work hard to learn and develop skills. I expect them to commit some time each week to learning. And I expect them to strive to excel and be even better than I am. Because there is nothing greater as a teacher than to see your students succeed. And that's the driving force behind my continuing attempt to get more and more retail traders to learn how to trade properly to become consistently successful. There is nothing on the planet that is like knowing that you have enough skill and technique that you can manage to make money no matter what is going on. It is a strangely calming, secure feeling that very few people have. Most people are worried about inflation, or they're worried about their jobs, or they're worried about the future, or they're worried about maybe there'll be another pandemic, or they're worried about robots coming. And they should be, because they are. Robots will replace half of the workforce in the next few decades, and there is nothing to stop it. We are evolving out of this period of time to becoming a financial-based economy. It's already happening. More and more people are investing in the stock market, and the SEC has changed some of the rules to help those people who are just starting out in the stock market and have a very low capital base. And so am I. There are many ways that you can learn to invest and trade because you need to do both to be financially secure. You need to have long-term investments that grow over a period of time, but you also need to make extra monthly income or your full monthly income from trading stocks. You need to do both. And we're the only educational company that teaches both. We're the only educational company that has a full, complete, comprehensive program that teaches you everything you need to know, every detail, every aspect, everything that you don't know that you should know, but you don't know that you don't know it. You've watched YouTubes, and you've watched webinars, and you've gone to seminars, and you've gone to trade shows, and you've done all this stuff, and you've spent hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands and thousands of dollars trying to teach yourself how to trade stocks, and you're still not successful. Why? Because there are many things that are not taught deliberately. We are the only company that has a complete comprehensive course. It's now online, and this expands the awareness that you have of what's going on. I'm writing the morning market reports for you, how the market's going to open, how the market's going to behave for the rest of the day, a couple of stocks to take a look at, and that sort of thing. And we have communities, students getting together to discuss things. We have discussion formats for those taking a course so they can hear what other students are asking about. We have all kinds of exciting ways to learn. We have sort features on not only our text, but our videos and our audios, so that you have a specific subject you want to review. All you have to do is type in that name of whatever the topic is, and it will give you a huge list of resources within our new online course campus that allows you to access that information quickly and easily. And you know, because it is TechnoTrader, that everything we teach is completely reliable, that we constantly update our courses on an ongoing basis, that I'm continually training students in the new technologies and the new financial market changes and the new rules that are going on, so that you're always updated and you're always knowing what's going on. This is an active, lively community. This isn't a group of retail traders who don't know what they're doing, trying to help each other and chatting around and complaining about the market and not making any money. This is an active group of students who are prospering because they are under the guidance of a professional who knows how to teach and train, as well as the inner workings of the stock market. You need to consider whether you want to waste more time and more money and miss out on the big gains that are coming right now. The market's surging. You need to decide what you need to do. I have had people who have tried for 10, 15, 20 years and longer, and they finally end up on my campus and they say, Martha, I wished I'd done this decades ago. And I'm going, why didn't you? Because I thought I could teach myself. I thought it would be easy. And I said, how much money have you wasted? How much time have you wasted? Your time is worth a certain amount of dollars per hour. How much are you worth per hour? Is your job a $30 an hour job, a $45 an hour job, or a $100 an hour job, or a $200 an hour job? How much are you worth? And how many hundreds of hours have you already spent and wasted watching videos on YouTube that don't tell you anything worthwhile? Just about everything out there is outdated or doesn't work because it doesn't have the foundation you need to make it work. Strategies are not where things start. They're where they end. You have to have a complete understanding of each of the market participant groups, and you have to have a trading style, a trading process, and a plan. All of these things are part of the TechnoTrader experience. And this is going to make it so much easier. Most of my students say, I can't believe how easy this is to learn and to apply. Why did I waste so much time trying to teach myself? The stock market isn't something that is a do-it-yourselfer project. So you need to get rid of that notion because it just isn't there. You need a professional to help you become consistently successful. In the end, someone will come up to you after you've taken our courses and you're very successful, and they will say to you, aren't you worried about the inflation? Aren't you worried about the politics? Aren't you worried about the economy? Aren't you worried about all these things that are going on in the world? And you'll say, no, because I have learned that I can always make money no matter what. So if there's a recession or inflation, if there's anything going on, if the politics are in gridlock, it doesn't matter because you can always make money. Isn't that a marvelous thought? That you don't have to worry about losing your job. You don't have to worry about your wife losing her job or your husband. You don't have to worry about having enough money for retirement. You don't have to worry about how you're going to put your kids through college. You do not have to worry about money because the wealthy of this country don't worry about making money. They know they can always make money. What they worry about is how to manage it. So you want to shift your worry from how do I make money? How am I going to protect my job? All of that stuff to I know I can always make money. No matter what's happening with the economy, no matter what's happening with inflation, no matter what's happening, if it's a recession or you're about to lose your job because a robot is taking over, it doesn't matter because you know how to make money in the stock market. You know how to make money, and you will always be able to make money in the stock market. The stock market isn't going anywhere. It's getting bigger. It's getting more important. It's becoming more prominent in our economy. It is the basis of our economy now. And if you do not learn what you need to know, if you don't take my comprehensive methodology essentials courses, there is no other course like it anywhere. It's online. It's fun. It's exciting. You get to share notes with other students. You get to see what's going on. You get to read my commentaries. You get to read my answers. You become part of the community of highly successful TechnoTrader students. So come to our brand new website. It's at TechnoTrader.courses. Start by taking a Learn and Earn course, and you will earn credits that you can use for the first course purchase that you buy from us. And that will all be online. You'll find out how we teach, why we teach. You will get to experience the TechnoTrader educational program with the Learn and Earn course that you take. These are no cost, they're free, and it gives you an idea of how we teach and how you will learn and how exciting it's going to be. So come to TechnoTrader.courses and take one of our Learn and Earn courses. They're for the general public. And then take a methodology essentials course that suits you because we have 3 different levels. Brand new beginners, people who have some experience, and people who are ready to be elite traders or professionals. So there's 3 different methodology courses to choose from. And then when someone comes up to you and says, aren't you worried about inflation? Or aren't you worried about the recession? You'll say no, because I know how to make money. And no matter what, I know how to make money. I'm Martha Stokes, and that's the radio show for today.
There's so much emotionally charged hype out there designed to sell newspapers and advertising rather than inform investors and traders. Want entertainment? Buy a newspaper or magazine or turn on the news. Want investment and trading concepts explained? Look to TechnoTrader. TechnoTrader is the gold standard in trading and investing education taught by experienced and accredited professionals. Don't learn to trade from fad-chasing day traders, and certainly don't think you can grow your portfolio by attending a weekend seminar or watching a free video online. Success in the financial markets is attainable, but like any high-paying profession, it requires the proper education to achieve consistent success. Join those happy few who've taken their investing and trading seriously. Call 888-846-5577 or visit technotrader.com.